Kerning in PowerPoint is a pain. The thing is that we usually create kerning with features. So the GPOS table includes the kerning information, but PowerPoint does not use these kerning information. So we end up to create an old school kern table, and the old school kern table is limited to 10,000 something kerning pairs. And this is not a standard for fonts today. So to give you an example, a regular Latin font with a couple hundred characters usually ends up having like 100,000 kerning pairs. 1/10 of the full kerning, which usually exists in a font file. An old school kern table can only be a compromise. But today I figured out a different solution. It's a little hack, and I'm happy to share this with you. I created 3 different fonts, as you can see here. One with a regular GPOS kerning, then the second one with a current old school kern table, and the third one with an FR table, as you can see there. So I created a script to generate this with font tools and Python. And when we have a look into the FR table, you can see that it's empty basically. It's just a dummy FR table. And now let's switch to a Windows machine to give it a try in PowerPoint. So here I am at my Windows machine. And you can see that I have created a dummy font with an A as a triangle and a V with a triangle. And it has actually a kerning, a massive kerning. The first one has only the regular GPOS kerning, and you see that it's not visible. It's not active, the kerning. The second one has an old school kern table, and we see that the kern is active. And the third one, which is new, has the FR, the empty FR table, and the kerning does work as well. So you can see here in the name, it has the FR in the name, and here is my dummy font with a kern table, and here is the dummy font without any information. So this is the default one. My guess is that the FR table triggers PowerPoint in the way that it thinks it's a variable font, and then it needs to use a different renderer. And therefore, this renderer actually supports OpenType features, in this case, the GPOS kerning. And that's it. It's a hack, but I want to share this with you. So probably we can just add a dummy FR table to static fonts. So these fonts get triggered within PowerPoint. So it uses actually OpenType features. Have fun. Take care.